Welcome, dear students. I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of Multan Public School and College. I am Sadia Waseem, Social Studies teacher of class 5. In my first video lecture, I explained the topic forest from lesson 3. Hope you understand that topic well. Now here, we will reinforce this topic first. I'll ask few questions. You can give answers to your mama. What is the forest? Yes, a forest is a land with many trees. What are the lungs of earth? Forests are the lungs of earth. Why forests are called lungs of earth? Because trees in forests help to clean the air by taking carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They are like lungs of earth and help it to breathe properly. Can you tell me types of forest? Yes, equatorial forest and temperate forest. What do we get from the trees? We get oxygen, food, shelter and wood from trees. Now on next slide, there is a work page which I assigned you as homework. Now you will check the answers which you have written are wrong or right. Clear? Please open your book, work page 24. Part D, complete these sentences. Number 1, trees in alpine forest do not grow very tall. First, I'll tell you the answer. After that, I'll explain it. Trees in alpine forest do not grow very tall. Answer is because of cold climate. Reason is cold climate freezes the plant cells and slow down the growth of plant. Roots are unable to take up water and plants die from lack of moisture. Number 2, roots of conifer trees help to keep the soil. Answer is from being washed away. Roots of the conifer trees are long and shallow, means not very deep. These remains on the top and hold the soil from being washed away. Number 3 is dead tree in rainforest do not fall to the ground. Answer is because of the dense vegetation. Now I'll clear it. A rainforest is very dense, means all trees are very close to each other. If a tree dies, it remains at its own place because there is no space on the ground to fall down. Number 4, plants in rainforests grow fast. Answer is because of heavy rainfall and fertile soil. Rainfall and the good soil help plants to grow well. Now, number 5 is animals are not hunted for their fur. Answer is because there are laws to protect wildlife species. These laws stop them not to hunt animals. Do you know the name of any organization in Pakistan that help to look after animals? I know the name of one organization. It's Pakistan Animal Welfare Society. Now, what is on next slide? There are question answers. Question 1 to 4 we have already done. I sent you a worksheet in 3rd week of April. Do you remember that? I will also send you PDF file of these question answers as well. Now we will start from question 5. Question 5 is name the South American countries which have equatorial forests. I have told you the names of these countries in my first video. Do you remember that? In the main features of equatorial forest? Yes, Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil have equatorial forest. Now, question 6 is why are equatorial forests important? We all know trees are the source of oxygen for all living things. If there would be no trees or less trees, how the earth will take breathe? We should plant more trees to save our mother earth. Now I'm explaining these answers, but the proper answers You can see the proper answers on the screen, and I'll send you the PDF file as well. Okay, now it's the turn of question 7. Differentiate between the equatorial and temperate forest. Now we will see what is the difference in both forests. In both forests, climate is different. In equatorial forest, climate is hot, but in temperate forest, climate is too cold. The second difference is, in equatorial forest, vegetation is dense, plants grow very well, but in temperate forest, plants do not grow very well because of the cold climate. Now the third difference is, in equatorial forest there is a variety of animals, but in temperate forest there is less population of animals as compared to equatorial forest. Now question 8. What problem do people living in equatorial forest face? People find it difficult to travel through these thick dense forests, and they cannot clear the land for the cultivation. They also face the problem of tropical diseases. The last question is, look at the map on page 19. Why are there fewer temperate forests in the southern hemisphere? Now try to understand the answer of this question from this map. Dear students, open your book, page 19. Look at this map. Now tell me, which line divides the earth into two halves? Equator. Yes. Equator divides the earth into two equal parts. The upper part is called northern hemisphere and the lower part is called southern hemisphere. Now look, the white color is for land, blue color is for water, and the dark and light green color shows forest. Now compare which part has less land mass and which has more land mass. Yes, in southern hemisphere land mass is less as compared to northern hemisphere. Most of the area is covered by water. It's understood, if land is less there, obviously forests will be fewer there. Now learn these question answers and write on a separate notebook. Now it's evaluation time. There is a worksheet. Fill in the blanks. You will do this worksheet after learning question answers. You can say it's type of weekly test. I'm just reading the statements. Okay, fill in the blanks. The first statement is, the equatorial forests are close to the dash. Number 2, dash forests lie between the Tropic of Cancer. Number 3, the forests are the source of dash for all living things. Number 4, dash are very short and dark people. Number 5, the dash evaporates and form clouds and then it rains. Number 6, the world's largest rainforest in Brazil is dash. Number 7, the snow and ice make dash difficult in temperate forests. What you will do, just type the answers of these blanks and text me. There is no need to write full statement. Hope you all have my number. If you don't have, take from your class teacher. Now there is homework. I already told you, write and learn these question answers of lesson 3. Hope you have learned by this video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.